Olivia's first chocolate egg. Choc choc. Do you like it? Chocolate and strawberries. Breakfast of champions. She's already had breakfast, so this is a nice little treat. Where's your egg? Egg. It's slippery. Slippery. Chocolate. Yummy. You looking for choo-choos? Looking for choo-choos? Yummy egg. Thank you, Grandma and Grandpa. Thank you, Grandma and Grandpa. Because Mommy's nice and she's sharing her Easter basket with Olivia. Because that was in my Easter basket from Grandma and Grandpa. But I love you and I like to share. She's very focused. Very focused on the chocolate. The messier the better. Chocolate. Choc choc. Choc choc. Choc choc. Yummy chocolate egg. You can have some strawberries too, you know. If you want to take a break. Good job, Olivia. Have some fruit too. Chocolate and strawberries is a very good combination. Nope, just chocolate. Ooh, it's slippery. How are you gonna get it? You can do it. Where there's a will, there's a way. Where there's a will, there's a way. You can do it, baby. Yeah. Everyone always finds a way to get to the chocolate.